evening.
Good evening, everyone. So my topic is all about LCM.
What is LCM?
LCM is love, courtship, marriage. So my source is none other than Mother Francis Chan. I just tried it because I just tried it to add the booklet of instructions, instruction of the young people. So there is the phone call is all about the child that lives in their house. So yes. So but the parents ask Brother Francis is what will they do because their child because their child is go somewhere. She left the house without any consent of her parents. So then Brother Francis answered them that because their children that is why her children is left in her house because there is so many idle time in their house. So that's why she gets bored and they left the house without any go to her best friend. Yes, her best friend. So what will the parents do? They need to give their children the instructions or the training that we are doing. So just like for example, they scribe, they comment in Facebook, they comment, or they ask some questions, or they will visit other reference, other members, or yes, make them help a frontliner in their situation to exhort one another to give some advice or to recommend them. So that's the only thing that the parents will do so that their children will never get bored in their household. So Father Francis also says that sister baby will need to ask some elders, some mothers, some counselors, some home counselor. What will she do in her children? So what will be the instruction for the ideal time is to be filled. So she needs to ask some of our best friends or some of our brothers and sisters. So that is her assignment. That is her assignment. So there's so the LCM it's the instruction that we will need to give in our children. It will prevent also the LCM. So that of course for example her child is go outside, she left. So is there any possibility that she finds some of her LCM? So it also prevents the LCM because it will filled by the instruction that we will give it. So there is the question there that says who is eligible to enter the training or the home training? So I just So, who is the eligible? So, who is the eligible? Those who are already in LCM or entered their LCM, or those who have not yet have their LCM. So the answer is both. Even though you don't have already, or even though you don't have an LCM, you need to enter the training because it will help you to court or to be court in a right way. So Brother Francis says that there is the independent. He explains what is the independent individual. So in denomination, they can see that independent is the one who have the stable job or the exact money to live, or having she or he what they call that, who have who owns a house. So that is the independent individual in the denomination. Now, but in our training, they are not the individual. They are not the independent one. Why? That's because if you ask them, what will you do if you court her, or what will you do if you will be court? So they don't know what to do. So the independent one is the one who is matured or who is graduated in our home training. So even though you don't have own house or you don't have stable job, if you are matured enough in our training, you are the independent, because you know what to do, or you will know what is the right way to enter a relationship in Christ. So he also stated that the word dote and what is the English word of
Dowry.
Dowry. So the dowry, he said that dowry is not. So in addition, it is all about the financial aspect, that the boy will give some money to the family of the girl. So, but in our training, there is dowry. There is dowry that we are not taking. We are not going to. We are not going to.
Remove.
We are not going to remove the financial aspect, but we add the training or the training. So what will the dowry do in our home? So you will give the dowry. Dowry. You will give dowry in the family of the girl by leading the babasa, giving the instruction for the family to be grown in their spiritual life, or visiting giving is. That's just what I said earlier, that we need to fill the idle time. So that is the one. That is also the task of a boy that giving the dowry to the family. He will fill the idle time. It's either the siblings of the girl or the children or the youth in that circle of family, or in that family. So that is only the one task that he will give some instructions. But he is also obliged to lead Bible study in that house. So every day. But it is also his task to visit other brethren to give some he will read also the Bible study in other houses. So that is the dowry, spiritually dowry of the boy in the family of that girl. So the dowry is not by financial only, but the most important dowry that you will be given in the family of your girl is the spiritual dowry. So that's all.
Could you explain what is pabasa?
Pabasa is reading the booklet of Brother Branham.
O si Dan? Usually we are practicing by reading pabasa in English. Our process we are very